In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to automatically answer phone calls on iPhone. This provides hands-free convenience, making it easier to take calls while driving, cooking, or multitasking. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. You want to select on Accessibility. On this page, scroll to the option of Touch. You will then navigate to the second last option of Call Audio Routing. You want to select on this very last option of Auto Answer Calls. Make sure to enable this option. Now, down below, set the duration of time to wait until the call is auto-answered. Okay, this feature is also useful for workouts or activities where reaching for the phone is impractical. That's how easy it is to enable automatic answering of calls on iPhone. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.